Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something we all love, making money. But we're going to take it one step further and talk about how you can make money while you're on the go. That's right, with just a few clicks on your phone, you can start earning some extra cash. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some apps that can help you make money while you're on the move. Number 1, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular apps to make money online. It's a GPT, get paid to, platform that rewards you for doing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. You can also earn cashback by shopping through the Swagbucks portal. The app is available on both iOS and Android. Swagbucks rewards you with SB, Swagbucks, points that you can redeem for gift cards or cash via PayPal. The payout threshold is relatively low, so you can easily earn a few dollars a day by spending some time on the app. Swagbucks also has a referral program, where you can earn up to 10% of your referral's earnings. Number 2, Ibotta. Ibotta is a cashback app that helps you save money on your everyday purchases. It's available on both iOS and Android, and it works with over 300 retailers, including Walmart, Target, and Amazon. All you have to do is add offers from the app to your shopping list and then scan your receipt after you make the purchase. Ibotta will credit your account with cashback for every offer you redeem. You can cash out your earnings via PayPal or gift cards. Ibotta also has a referral program, where you can earn up to $5 for every friend you refer. Number 3, Dosh. Dosh is another cashback app that rewards you for your purchases. Unlike Ibotta, Dosh automatically detects your purchases when you link your credit or debit card to the app. You can earn cashback at over 10,000 retailers, including Target, Walmart, and Uber. Dosh credits your account with cashback that you can redeem for PayPal cash or direct deposit to your bank account. You can also earn extra cash by referring your friends to Dosh. Number 4, Foap. Foap is a stock photography app that allows you to sell your photos online. If you love photography and have a good eye for capturing beautiful moments, Foap can help you monetize your hobby. You can upload your photos to the app and tag them with relevant keywords. Brands and businesses can then purchase your photos for use in their marketing campaigns. Foap pays you $5 for every photo sold on the app. The best part is that you can sell the same photo multiple times, which means you can earn passive income from your photos. Number 5, Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is a fitness app that pays you for staying active. The app tracks your steps and rewards you with Sweatcoins that you can redeem for various rewards, including gift cards, fitness gear, and even iPhones. You can also use Sweatcoins to make donations to charity. Sweatcoin is available on both iOS and Android, and it's free to download. You can earn up to 5 Sweatcoins per day by walking or running. The app also has a referral program, where you can earn Sweatcoins for every friend you invite to join the app. Number 6, TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a freelance marketplace that connects you with people in your local area who need help with tasks. If you're good at doing odd jobs like assembling furniture, cleaning, or running errands, TaskRabbit can be a great way to make money on the go. You can browse available tasks in your area and apply for the ones that match your skills and availability. TaskRabbit charges a commission fee on your earnings, but you get to keep 100% of the tips you receive. The app also has a rating system, where clients can rate your performance after each task, which can help you build your reputation and get more tasks in the future. Number 7, Uber. Uber is one of the most popular ride-sharing apps that allows you to make money by driving people around. If you have a car and a clean driving record, you can sign up to become an Uber driver and start earning money on the go. Uber also has other services like Uber Eats, where you can deliver food to people's homes. Uber pays its drivers a percentage of the fare, and you can earn bonuses for completing a certain number of rides in a week or month. You can also receive tips from your passengers, which can boost your earnings. Number 8, Airbnb. Airbnb is a platform that allows you to rent out your spare room or entire home to travelers. If you have a spare room that you're not using or you're going on a trip and won't be home, you can list your space on Airbnb and start earning money while you're away. Airbnb charges a commission fee on your earnings, but you get to set your own prices and decide when to rent out your space. The app also has a rating system, where guests can rate their experience after their stay, which can help you attract more guests in the future. Number 9, Poshmark. Poshmark is a platform that allows you to sell your gently used clothing and accessories online. If you have clothes in your closet that you no longer wear, you can list them on Poshmark and start earning money. You can also buy items from other sellers and resell them on the app. Poshmark charges a commission fee on your sales, but you get to set your own prices and negotiate with buyers. The app also has a rating system, where buyers can rate their experience after their purchase, which can help you build your reputation and attract more buyers in the future. Number 10, Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a survey app that pays you for sharing your opinion. If you have some free time on your hands, you can complete surveys on Survey Junkie and earn some extra cash. The app works with a wide range of brands and businesses, and you can choose the surveys that match your interests and preferences. Survey Junkie pays you in points that you can redeem for cash or gift cards. The payout threshold is relatively low, so you can start earning money quickly. The app also has a referral program, where you can earn points for every friend you invite to join the app. Conclusion? And that concludes our list of apps that can help you make money while you're on the go. Whether you're waiting in line, sitting in a waiting room, or commuting to work, these apps can help you make the most of your time and earn some extra cash. Just remember that these apps are not a get-rich-quick scheme, and you need to put in some effort and time to see results. But with a little bit of patience and persistence, you can start earning money from your phone today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.